Right, here we go. Let's do this.
Please keep your palms and hands inside the tub at all times and remain seated.
Good God. Oh, yeah, it's definitely summer. Oh! Ow! Oh! Oh! This is unbelievable. Oh! 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 If you got a bad back, don't come on this. Wow. Bloody heck. Flipping heck. Whee! Christ. Well, that was something.